Hello everyone, my name is Alessia and on my channel, me and the guys discuss tips and tricks on how to find and meet foreign girls, European, American, Russian and Australian women. It doesn't matter what you're looking for, you will definitely be successful and I will help you with this. If you are interested in this topic, support my video blog, hit like, hit the bell and subscribe. And I start. Here we go. Admit it, have you already watched my chatting issues? There, I analyzed in great detail the methods of guys when they met, when they were successful or not, everything to help you properly interest the beauty. Today, I suggest you practice some more. Let's consider examples of correspondence between Indian guys and European girls on Instagram and find out if they are successful or not. I'll show you how you can prepare for a conversation so that the result is in your favor. Are you ready? I'm sure it will be a mega interesting video for all guys looking for a girl. Fasten your seatbelts, we start. First example, it's tricky, let's watch. Hey, how are you? Not bad, and you? I hope it will be even better now. Tell me, did you take the last photo in the restaurant? Yes, why? Super, I was there and I saw you. I also thought that you were very beautiful and hesitated to approach. Then I decided to look for you by geolocation and I found it. You are very beautiful. Thank you. Might come up. Don't be shy. I won't. Shall we take a walk the other day? Why not? Let's do that. Quite good correspondence. The beginning is, of course, boring. If you write like this, you may not be answered. But here the guy was lucky. The move with the restaurant is great. Remember, he could not be there. Not see her, just by geolocation. I looked through the photos of the girls that were there, found a beautiful one and decided to write. Voila! A slight shyness conquers the girls, they will not consider you frivolous. After a short but thoughtful conversation, the guy won! Congratulations! How do you prepare for the correspondence? What techniques do you have in your arsenal? Right under the video. So, now the second option. Let's see which one is more successful. Hey, I'm outraged by one injustice. Which one? That we haven't met yet. I want to fix it. Try it. My name is David. I love coffee and sunset. I also love coffee. What about the dawn? It's hard to wake up early. You're losing a lot. Unless if you wake me up. Whoa, unexpected. Time will tell. Let's start with the sunset coffee. Let's try. The first phrase needs to arouse interest. That's right. The girl answered. Start with humor. Girls love jokes. By the way, if you want to immediately have something in common, talk about coffee. Almost everyone loves it. Talking about sunset speaks of romance. The girl probably imagined a beautiful sunset. For the joke, check promiscuity. As for me, the joke is not on the verge, it went well. In your practice, also try to conquer with light humor. Not bad example. I would go for a coffee. How do you wake up her interest in correspondence? Are there any catchphrases? Share in the comments. At this point, I stop. What do you think? Did you recognize yourself? Be sure to watch the next video. There I will tell you about the calls that say that a girl doesn't like you. It will be so interesting. Do not miss it. And also send me your chats for anonymous analysis. I'll tell you where you were cool and where you better work on your mistakes. And you owe me a like and subscription. You do not mind, do you?